Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The minimum wage in the UK should rise to £15 an hour as soon as possible, the Trades Union Congress says. This rate should apply to workers of all ages instead of the current lower rate for under 23s, it said. Latin American cryptocurrency Ripio has started rolling out a prepaid debit card in Brazil that allows payments to be made in cryptocurrency and earns cashback rewards in Bitcoin, Ripio CEO Sebastian Serrano said. The US dollar recouped some data-inspired losses and edged back towards recent peaks, while the euro remained under pressure amid growing recession fears, fueled by a possible energy supply crunch. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.7% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the gold gain 0.3% against the dollar. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The US gross domestic product annualized will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US gross domestic product price index at 12:30 GMT. Germany's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT. Germany's IFO business climate will be released at 0800 hours GMT. Japan's Tokyo Consumer Price Index at 23:30 GMT. Japan's Tokyo CPI at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.